Alright, I'm taking another video. It's closer than it was even last time. It's really moving. It actually hasn't been raining for a few hours, but there's another storm on its way. And it is closer now. Here's the road, here's the river. Lucas made it home by taking Stu's roads.
Look, it just picked up
into Bonneville and then down into our area. Stu helped him out and showed him the way, which was really nice. Here's our mailbox, so you know where we are. And I'll stop for a minute here in a second so you can see how fast it's moving. It's moving really, really fast. I wonder if I can zoom in. That's not a very good shot. That. There's Mary's River. There's the Harris River.